Well, I'm about to check out of my hostel. There's this really good pierogi place next door that opens up at 11 a.m. The checkout at this hostel is at 11 a.m. So I'm sorry to this traditional Polish place, but I'm about to be one of your first customers. Yo, check out this plate of pierogi. Pierogi Ruski. And of course, sour cream. Always have to have sour cream with pierogi. Let's make these pierogi disappear, yo. Let's go explore more of Krakow, Poland. And if you're not aware, this is the Polish flag. I'm gonna walk to the royal castle. It is yet another wet, gloomy day here in Krakow. I guess this is just how winter is in Krakow and in Poland in general. It's just wet and looks like this. It looks actually pretty cool though. It gives it more of a European feel to it. I better make sure I do my intro or y'all are gonna quit watching me. Hello, my name is Zack and I like to backpack around the world. Good afternoon from Krakow, Poland. I am once again in the main square because my hostel is right down there. Well, I'm actually switching to a different accommodation here in Krakow. I will be staying at a hotel tonight. I left my backpack there because I didn't want to lug it around for 4 hours. Beautiful, gloomy Krakow. I like to watch this creator named Tony Florida. Really good creator, really good content. And he was in Krakow about a month or two ago. And he wound up on the balcony up here, I believe. So I'm going to see if I can accidentally end up there as well. So, okay, Tony, I have no idea how you got up here. I'm gonna let you win this one. I'm not gonna be able to get up there because I tried to go up some elevator and they told me I couldn't go up, so. And you did it right from the start. It is almost December, therefore it is Christmas time. Happy holidays from Krakow, Poland. They are freezing. Here is, I'm gonna try my best to pronounce this right. Here is the Wawel Royal Castle. W-A-W-E-L. Wawel? I know in Poland, it's one of those countries, one of those languages where things do not look how they're pronounced. So, Poland and Colombia are those two countries that nothing looks how it sounds. Nothing is pronounced how it is spelt, or at least in the English language. But looks pretty cool. I like how it's like on a mound. That's how a castle should be, on a wonderful mound like right this. I don't know why I left my gloves in my backpack at my hostel, but I kind of need them. Kind of cold out here. Man, this castle is massive. It goes from way over here all the way over here. Massive castle. And it has a drawbridge or a gate or whatever you call it. Wow, check out this view. Krakow is like a real life Disney World. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Hold it right there. Disney World is real life. I don't know if I'm supposed to be up here. Oh well. This castle is massive. And then there's this big open square. I don't know if you can see it way up there, but there is a fire-breathing dragon up here and up here and up here and up here, over there, over there. I don't know if it actually breathes fire on Mondays, because according to Google, this castle is closed on Mondays, but it's Monday and I'm in the castle, so I don't know what they mean by that. But I just realized there's a dragon right here, here. I don't know if they breathe fire. I would assume so. It looks like it's attached to some gas pipes. Well, I am on my way back to my hostel. It is absolutely freezing here in Krakow, Poland. It is so cold that my hands are literally red. I don't know if you can see that, but it is cold. I believe it's like 35 degrees. I guess because I'm on higher ground right now, it's even colder. So maybe when I get back to ground level here in Krakow, I won't be as cold. So for now, until next time, Krakow, I say goodbye to Wawel Royal Castle. Is Krakow worth visiting in November, in the winter? My answer to that is, if you love the winter, yes. If you don't love the winter, probably not. But if you only have the option of coming to Krakow in November versus in June or July, if you cannot come during the summer, I would say just bring your best winter clothes. Bring a scarf, bring a hat, bring gloves. Dress up in layers. It gets really cold in Krakow. Trust me. To people from Canada though, to people from Canada, this is nothing to y'all. This is absolutely nothing, especially those in the prairies and in Calgary and in Vancouver. Toronto, you know, this probably feels really nice to y'all. So come on, come visit Krakow. Well, I am back at my hostel. My hands still intact somehow. So I just looked at a clock and I saw that it's 2 p.m. and my check-in time for my hotel for tonight is at 2 p.m. So I'm gonna go ahead and walk that way. It's about a 25-minute walk. I believe my hotel is in the Jewish quarter. I saw on a map it's like near some synagogue. I'm not sure if that synagogue is the oldest synagogue in Poland. I know it's nearby it though, so we will see. On my way to my hotel here in Krakow, Poland. And I do have gloves on this time, so my hands are not gonna get frostbitten. So since I will not be getting any sushi this Friday, I'm going to return to this sushi place I went to last Friday here in Krakow. They have a small portion of sushi, like a 4-piece, so. I am going to get the volcano salmon roll. Let's make this disappear. That was really good sushi. It was good sushi last time. It was good sushi this time, so good choice on my part. Now let's finish this walk to my hotel and relax and get some videos up, because the Wi-Fi at that hostel was garbage. Even browsing on simple social media pages, it was difficult because it would always like log out of the Wi-Fi. Like, the hostel was right next to this coffee shop and it kept wanting to go back and forth from the hostel Wi-Fi to the Costa Coffee Wi-Fi. It was not good at all. And this is Warsaw. Oh my God, it ain't Warsaw. And this is Krakow, Poland. I wasn't even supposed to be coming to Poland on this trip, and here I am. So I guess this is my hotel. Yeah.
Breakfast is not included in your reservation.
Okay, that's fine.
If you want, you can buy extra. It's 20 zloty.
Okay.
Do you want?
No, not really.
Okay. Here is discount. With this card, you have 20% discount downstairs in the restaurant Pesto and Pimienta 10%. And here you have a card with Wi-Fi, Carmel 2018.
Okay.
Okay. If you want, book taxi to the airport or something.
Oh no.
Okay. This is number 3 upstairs.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Beats a hostel. I'll do a quick room tour. I mean, there's not much of a room, but this is so much better than a hostel. A single bed, big enough for me, that's fine. Television, all that's on it is probably Polish content. I don't speak Polish. It kind of costed me a girl last night because she was trying to talk to me and I didn't know Polish, and she didn't want to fuck with an American. I have a Coke. That's not a part of the room. Telephone, tea. What's in here? Nothing, just... Check out the bathroom. My own private bathroom. I'm not sharing this bathroom with anybody. Good stuff. And that is my room. That's all. That's all. Oh, I never mentioned how much I'm paying for this room. Sorry, I just got out of the shower, so I'm kind of naked. Oh well. But anyways, I am paying a total of $2.18 for this room. You might be asking, how did I get it for so cheap? For $2.18? Really? Is Krakow that cheap? No, it's not. But with Hotels.com, if you stay 10 nights, you get a night free. Let's say you spent on average $30 for those 10 nights. So therefore, you can spend that $30 towards a free night. So say the place you're wanting to stay in Krakow cost $40. You're going to have to pay that $10 as well as the tax. In my situation, all I paid for was the tax. Now, if you're wanting the free night to be somewhere, say, for $20 a night, I would just go ahead and pay that $20. I wouldn't redeem a $30 voucher on a $20 room, because you can spend that $30 voucher on a $30 room or more somewhere else down the line. Don't give away that $10. If you're in this program, you're not in it to give away money. You're in it to save money, right? Right. Good talk. So anyways, I am going to wrap this video up. Tomorrow morning, I am heading to Copenhagen, Denmark, with a 4-hour bus layover in Berlin, Germany. So yeah, I need to get up for that. So my name is Zack, and I do like to backpack around the world. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not yet. Before you do anything else on YouTube, before you do anything else in your life, before you exit out this video, please hit that subscribe button. You made it this far in the video. You might as well, right? Yeah. And if you're already subscribed to me, thank you from the bottom of my cold, dark, black heart. Thank you. Bye. Good night from Krakow, Poland.